Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two popular robot vacuum cleaners. In one corner we have the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner, and in the other corner we have the robot vacuum. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the first category, price. The Lefant robot vacuum cleaner comes in at a budget-friendly price of $199. On the other hand, the robot vacuum is priced at $699. Now, let's move on to the second category, cleaning performance. Both of these robot vacuums offer impressive features to keep your home clean. Moving on to our third category, smart features. In today's world, we love anything that can be controlled through our smartphones or voice commands. Overall, the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner has received positive reviews for its convenience and affordability. On the other hand, the robot vacuum is praised for its cleaning power and durability. And that concludes our comparison between the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner and the robot vacuum. Now, it's time for you to make the decision based on your needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.